Dear students, hope you all are doing good and enjoying this lockdown period. Students, up to class 5th, you have studied social science as a subject. But now from class 6th onwards, social science is divided into three different subjects. That is history, civics and geography. So what is history? History is the study of the past. It is the whole series of past events connected with a particular person or thing. So let's start with chapter 1, the Mesopotamian civilization. In this chapter, you will learn about the location and extent of Mesopotamian civilization, the characteristics of this civilization, the contribution of Mesopotamians, and the decline of Mesopotamian civilization. These ancient civilizations, which arose during the Bronze Age, include the Mesopotamian civilization, the Egyptian civilization, the Harappan civilization, and the Chinese civilization. These great civilizations developed on the bank of rivers because of several reasons. The primary reason was agriculture, which was the main occupation of the people. Agriculture depends on a reliable water supply. The river valleys provide a regular supply of water. The annual flood in these rivers brought silt and made land fertile. The river also became the means of transporting people and goods from one place to another. Mesopotamian is a Greek word which means the land between two rivers. The Mesopotamian civilization was located between the river Tigris and Euphrates that you can see from this picture. As I told you, Mesopotamian civilization was located between the rivers Tigris and Euphrates. Around 5000 BCE, small settlements began to emerge in the fertile plains between these two rivers in southern Mesopotamia. These settlements gradually developed into the world's first civilization, popularly known as the Sumerian civilization. The land of Sumerians was called Sumer. The Sumerians established a highly advanced civilization by 3500 BCE, which flourished for about 15 years. The Sumerian civilization was followed by the Babylonian and Assyrian. Babylonian was located on the northeastern side of Sumer, while Assyria was situated on the highlands in the north. Come to the characteristics of Mesopotamian civilization. Society. The Mesopotamian civilization was divided into upper, middle, and lower classes. The rulers and kings, their family members, priests, and high officials belonged to the upper class of the society. Merchants, farmers, and artisans belonged to the middle class. Slaves belonged to the lowest class. Family. Family was the basic unit of the Mesopotamian society. The society was mainly patriarchal, with the father being the head of the family. Women enjoyed some rights. Men enjoyed more privileges than women. That means more importance were given to men. Now, city-states. Ashur, Ur, Nineveh, Nimrud, Kish, and Lagash were some cities of Mesopotamian civilization. These cities were called temple towns as they were built around the temple. Public building and marketplace were built around the shrine area. Shrine area means holy places. Later, these temple towns grew into city-states and had their own ruler called Insis. The next characteristic is town planning. The Mesopotamian cities followed uniform pattern. These cities were divided into three parts. The sacred area, which had a ziggurat. Ziggurat means step temple tower. The walled city, the outer town. The people lived in the walled city and the outer town. The streets were unpaved and without drains. The houses were built of mud bricks. The rooms in each house were grouped around the central courtyard. Now, occupation, agriculture and domestication of animal. Agriculture was the main occupation of the people. Mesopotamian people developed an excellent system of irrigation. Dikes were built to control the flood water from Tigris and Euphrates River. The Mesopotamian grew wheat, barley, fruits, and pulses. People domesticated animals such as cows, goats, sheep, and donkeys. Art and craft. The Mesopotamians were experts in art and crafts. They discovered seals, metal objects, statues, and pottery. People acquired specialized skill in pottery and metalwork. Bleaching, dyeing, cosmetics were also carried out. The Mesopotamian made cylinder seal, which required considerable skill. The seals were engraved with images. Trade and commerce. Trade and commerce flourished in Mesopotamia, making it a prosperous civilization. The chief items of export were grains and finished products. The main imports were stone, timber, and metal ores. Architecture. The ziggurat and the hanging gardens represent the best examples of Mesopotamian architecture. The hanging gardens of Babylon in the palace of King Nebuchadnezzar II is one of the seven wonders of the ancient world. It was built 23 meters above the ground. It was watered by the river Euphrates using a complicated mechanical system. It had a mountain-like series of terraces filled with plants. Religion. The Mesopotamians believed in many gods and goddesses. They also worshipped forces of nature such as the sun, moon, and rain. The chief Mesopotamian gods were Anu, the god of sky, Enlil, the god of wind, Enki, the god of earth, Ninhur Saga, mother goddesses. The king was the chief priest. He was believed to be the direct representative of God on earth. Discovery of weapons, armaments, vessels, and various other objects in the graves proves that the Mesopotamians believed in life after death. Now we will see the contribution of the Mesopotamian civilization. The first was script. The greatest achievement of the Mesopotamians was the invention of the art of writing. They were the first to invent a pictographic form of writing known as the cuneiform. The script contained picture-like symbols. These symbols were written on wet tablets with a stylus. The tablet was then baked in the sun or fire. The pictograms on the tablets represented an object or an idea. These clay tablets were mostly used for keeping records of business documents, daily transaction and royal inscription. You can see in this picture symbols are there and these symbols were written on wet tablets with a stylus. Stylus is a pen which was made of bones of metals. Then it was baked in the sun or fire. The pictograph represent object or an idea and these tablets were used to keep records, transaction and royal inscriptions. Science and technology. The Mesopotamians were technically advanced. Buildings of canals, dikes required considerable technical skills. The Mesopotamians were brilliant mathematicians. They were the first to divide a day into 24 hours, each hour into 60 minutes and each minute into 60 seconds. This form of calculation has survived till today. The Sumerian also developed the first calendar which was adjusted according to the phases of moon. This lunar calendar was later adopted by the Semites, Egyptian and the Greeks. That means they were experts. They handed their ideas to the later generations. Now also we follow the same calculation. That means Semites, Egyptian and the Greeks also adopt the same calendar later. Next, metallurgy. The Mesopotamians discovered copper. They made bronze by adding tin to copper. This began a new age known as the Bronze Age. These were the contribution of Mesopotamians. Now, decline of Mesopotamian civilization. The decline of the Mesopotamian civilization because of these factors. The river Euphrates unexpectedly changed its course, which forced inhabitants to move to other places. Frequent wars and attacks marked an end to the ancient civilization. The river changed its direction. Because of that, people shifted to different places. Continuous wars and attacks was also the reason of the end of the civilization. Mesopotamia remains the cradle of civilization as it not only gave rise to the first civilization of the world but also saw the rise and fall of other civilizations such as Babylonian and Assyrian. Glossary: armaments, military weapons and equipment. City-states: an independent state consisting of a city and the area around it. Cradle: a place where something important began. Cuneiform: Mesopotamian script written on clay tablets which contain wedge-shaped characters. Dikes: a long wall to prevent flooding from sea or river. Patriarchal: the society in which the male member is the head of the family. Pictograms: a picture representing a word or face. Stele: a stone or wooden slab, generally taller, erected as a monument for commemorative purposes. Stylus: a sharp pen made out of reed, bones or metal. Scribe: a person who made copies of written documents before printing was invented. Ziggurat: stepped temple towers built in honor of gods of the city-states. In this video, you have seen the location and extent of Mesopotamian civilization and the characteristics of that civilization. Also, we saw the contribution of the Mesopotamian and the decline of Mesopotamian civilization. In continuation of this chapter, I will upload notes of this chapter next week on your app CI Soft IT Care. It is advised to check this app on regular basis. Have a great day ahead.